Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into a true classic from Chevrolet's golden era, the 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS. This car is a perfect combination of compact design, aggressive performance, and timeless muscle car appeal. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Nova SS a standout in automotive history. The 1967 Nova SS is instantly recognizable with its sharp, clean lines and understated yet aggressive styling. The Super Sport package added sporty touches, including unique badging, a special grille, and stylish chrome accents. It's a car that perfectly balances muscle and elegance. Under the hood, the Nova SS was all about power. It came with several engine options, including the legendary 327 cubic inch V8, producing up to 350 horsepower. With a lightweight body and a powerful engine, the Nova SS delivered thrilling acceleration and a driving experience that made it a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. Inside, the Nova SS offered a driver-focused cabin with bucket seats, a sporty steering wheel, and an available console-mounted shifter. While compact in size, the interior was designed to provide both comfort and performance-focused aesthetics. The 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS was a car that proved big performance could come in a small package. Its combination of lightweight agility, powerful engines, and classic styling has made it a beloved icon in the muscle car world. Today, it remains a sought-after collector's car, celebrated for its unique place in Chevrolet's storied history. Thank you for joining us today on Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on classic and iconic cars. See you next time.